here with Sophia Khan, who's my niece.
Hello.
And we are going to teach you how to make boxed mac and cheese better and more interesting.
More delicious.
Absolutely. So what we have is, we've got macaroni, actually elbow macaroni from two 7.25 ounce packages of mac and cheese. And we've got the 2 little cheese packets that we're going to use as well today. We've got 1 cup of cheddar cheese. We've got 1.5 cups of milk. And we're going to make it interesting today by adding some bison.
Mm-hmm. And some cinnamon.
And some cinnamon to the bison.
To the bison.
Exactly.
So this is a classic recipe, and we're gonna just throw our own twist on it. Feel free to improvise at home as you wish.
I'm gonna add milk into our pan here. Sophia, do you want to add that cinnamon into the bison?
So I'm gonna add the cinnamon to the bison. We sauteed the bison for about 10 minutes or so until it was cooked all the way through. And bison is a lovely, delicious lean meat, and it's hormone-free, natural. So it's better than eating beef. And it's good to do it once in a while. Get that red meat, get the iron count in. And we love cooking meat with cinnamon, especially red meat. We're both Mediterranean, of Mediterranean ancestry, and it's a classic thing to do, especially with lamb. You add cinnamon to the lamb.
Absolutely. And basically what I'm doing here is I'm just going to be mixing with a whisk the milk and the cheese sauce that came in the packages, and it's going to thicken very quickly. You'll be surprised how quick this thickens. And then I'm going to add my cheddar cheese, and then we put all 3 of them together. Mm-hmm. And you've got better boxed mac and cheese. Here's my cheddar.
And the whole family will love this.
Make it nice and cheesy. And you can change this up. You don't have to use meat, or you can use ground turkey, you can use vegetables.
This is sort of like doing a bison burger, like a cheeseburger, bison burger, and mac and cheese.
Now we did a whole pound, so I'm gonna actually, Sophie, have you probably just add half of that.
Okay.
Because I think for these 2 small boxes, it'll take about half. So you can go ahead and add it, and I'm gonna pour the sauce on top. And that's how easy it is.
So
you can just
simple.
change things up for your family.
There we go. That looks good.
Great.
It smells amazing with the cinnamon.
I can smell the cinnamon. Mm-hmm. Okay. And our sauce looks nice. And we're gonna pour it over everything.
Beautiful. See, it's nice and thick and creamy. Mm-hmm. It's got a great color. So we're just gonna mix this stuff around. And there you go. Ooey gooey, luscious mac and cheese.
Really yummy. Definitely try this one at home. You're gonna love it.
Take it to the next level.